So to make this glossy slime, you're gonna need some glue. Any kind of glue works for this slime. Next, you're going to need to get some conditioner and just squirt like 2 or 3 pumps of this. Next, you're gonna need some hand soap and put in around the same amounts of conditioner. And to make this glossy and clicky, you need to add the main ingredient, which is baby oil. And you're gonna add around maybe half of the amount of glue you added. Next, you're gonna add a tiny bit of water, and now you're just gonna add a little bit of shaving cream, not a lot, just a little bit. And now you can add food coloring or paint, and I'm going to be using yellow because it's a very bright color, and since this is going to be glossy slime, I decided to use yellow. And now you're just gonna mix that all up, and you will have just a little trouble mixing it, and you're just gonna sort of have to mash the pieces of the shaving foam up and make sure that it is completely mixed. Now it is time to activate this slime, and I'm gonna be using Tide for my activator. You can use any activator. Okay guys, so wait, I am done with my slime, and now I'm going to be showing you my finished result. And I'm also going to be doing some ASMR, and I know my ASMR is like really bad, but I've been practicing, and I've also been watching ASMR videos to see how they make it satisfying. So as you can see, my slime is like really shiny. Okay, so in ASMR there's like no talking at all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pause this real quick and like sort of fix this, and we'll start ASMR. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. And if this was helpful, just comment down below like this was helpful and like the slime was awesome. I know the slime needed like a lot of materials, but that is how you get this clicky and glossy look, which is really nice. And I really love the clickiness. It's so stretchy and soft and smooth and shiny, because this is glossy slime. So bye!